What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Airdrop Fridays, and today I got a bunch of airdrops lined up for you guys. So let's just jump right into it. So the first one up is from the Nibiru chain. Nibiru is a relatively new smart contract platform that was created for developers to deploy secure production grade smart contracts. Now they have what is called a Nibiru engagement airdrop campaign, where they're currently allocating 9.3% of the total supply. No, I'm not sure what the total supply will be, but as soon as I get that info, I'll let you know. Now, there are 3 steps you need to do to get started with this campaign. The first one is to connect your Twitter account, or what was formerly known as Twitter, which is now X. Connect your wallet and then link your X account with your wallet. So you'll need to download a compatible wallet. So Nibiru sits on the Cosmos ecosystem. So you need a compatible Cosmos wallet. So you can work with either the Kepler wallet or the Leap wallet. So once you have connected your wallet, simply connect your X account and then hit link wallet, and you link your X account with your wallet. Now, after you've successfully done that, the next steps would be to complete a bunch of tasks that they have, as this campaign revolves around social media. So you'll need to like and tweet a bunch of tweets. It's very simple to do. As you see here, I have accumulated 22,000 points, and all I did was just like and retweet a bunch of tweets by Nibiru. Now, there are quite a few of them, but as I've said before, it's relatively easy to do. In a matter of minutes, you can complete all of these. Now, you need to check back periodically, as sometimes they update this with some new tasks as well, or some new tweets for you to retweet and like as well. So pin this one on your to-do list, and let's move on to the next one. And the next one up is from Linea, and it's called the Linea Park Voyage. Now, this one consists of a bunch of tasks that you need to do in order to earn what is called XP or LXP, which means linear experience points. Now, these LXP, I believe, will play a pivotal role in getting the linear airdrops in the near future. So this one might be worthwhile doing. To get started with this one, you just simply need to connect your wallet. So you can connect your MetaMask wallet for this one. Just connect it right here, and then you'll be good to go to getting these LXP points. Now, once you're in, the first place you need to start, it will be the welcome area. And this consists of 4 tasks, very simple to do as well, which basically encompasses an introduction to Linea and the crypto space on a whole. So you'll get a bunch of statements to read and just to familiarize yourself with Linea and overall crypto space, such as wallets, MetaMask, etc. And at the end of these tasks, you will be quizzed based on what you've read before. So at the very best, you're learning about Linea and you're learning about cryptocurrency on a whole, and you'll be quizzed, and if you answer these quizzes correctly, then you will earn Linea points. So these tasks are it's very easy to do. I completed all of these 4 tasks in a matter of minutes, roughly under 3 to 4 minutes. And once you've completed all 4 tasks, you'll earn, I believe, 30 LXP. So that's 30 linear experience points. So I've already completed these 4 tasks, and I'm now in the RPG and MMO phase. Now, this RPG and MMO phase consists of 6 different tasks, which are 6 different games really that you need to download and play in order to earn LXP points. I've already completed this one that is called Space Falcon, which required me to download a game called Aviatrix. Now, what you need to know as well, that these games sometimes has a token of their own. So playing these games will also give you a possibility of earning these airdrops once these games are ready to go live. So if you're starting from 0, this one is a pretty good one to do, as well as the Nibiru one that I mentioned previously. And as you can see here, there are lots more tasks that aren't unlocked as yet, but I believe this voyage will last around 5 to 6 weeks. So in the near future, some of these will be unlocked and you'll be able to interact with them as well. But for now, we're just focusing on these 2, which are the welcome phase and the RPG and MMO phase. Now, the next one I want to talk to you about is from the Koii Network. Now, I know you have probably heard about nodes making thousands of dollars securing a particular blockchain. Now, the Koii Network gives you that power, gives the average user that power. So you'll be able to download a node and operate as a node and earn Koii rewards in return. So it's a brand new network that requires no capital down. All it requires is your time. So all you need to do is to just join the network here. So just click on this button here. And so you can currently see the amount of nodes that are online, 28,000, and earning between 90 to 120 Koii per week. Now, once you're here, you would hit the download now option. Now, once you've downloaded and ran that application, you will be required to set up a PIN code and a username. Now, I've already done that, so I'm already in. But essentially, it's very simple to do. Now, if you're uncertain of what to do, I'll leave a link in the description box below to Koii's network tutorial on how to set up a Koii node in a matter of minutes. Now, let me log in to show you exactly how it looks like. Now, right here, I'm not currently running any tasks, but essentially, you get a bunch of tasks that you can run in order to earn Koii rewards. And currently, these are the tasks that are available. As you can see, the name of the task, the amount of nodes that are running it, token that you will get in that is required to run this task, and the reward tokens that you'll be able to get, as well as the time it takes to get these rewards. So for this task, it will require me to have a minimum of 1.9 Koii to run. I currently only have 0.29, but I can always request Koii tokens from the faucet if I need more. And essentially, you just click the run task option. It takes about 11 minutes to run this task, and you will earn Koii rewards in return. And that's essentially what it entails. Pretty easy to do. It might look a little bit robust or cumbersome, but it's practically simple to do, and you can earn these Koii rewards passively. And that's really it for this one and this video. Now let me know in the comment section below if you found any value in this video, and let me know if you will participate in any of these airdrops as well. So until then, guys, see you in my next one.